First line. The Constitution of India is the supreme law of the country. Second line. It was adopted on the 26th of November 1949 and came into effect on the 26th of January 1950. Third line. Dr. B.R. Ambedkar is known as the father of the Indian Constitution. Fourth line. The Constitution lays down the framework of the government. Fifth line. It defines the powers and duties of the legislature, executive, and judiciary. Sixth line. The Constitution guarantees fundamental rights to all citizens. Seventh line. It also mentions fundamental duties for the people of India. Eighth line. The Constitution ensures equality, justice, and liberty for everyone. Ninth line. It reflects the values of democracy, secularism, and unity. 10th line. The Constitution of India protects the rights and freedom of its citizens.